There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Insider Call, Kraitos Insider Call. My name is Dominik, and I will take you like every week through different settings, observations, how Kraitos trades. If you have any questions, please just message me right now in Discord. It's easier that way that we communicate. So yeah, let's jump into the screen share so we can go through our weekly overview to see how Kraitos was trading, what was good, what was bad. I will also show you like some things about decision units that I'm doing, and also the minimum required distance in between trades. I think this is really working really good right now, and I will also show you why. So as you can see, here it's my live account, this one that we are observing like since the first day that Kraitos got introduced in Auvoria Prime. As you can see, absolute gain. This is a gain with deposits. It's right now at 19.18%. So we're just a little bit above 5.11% average per month. I really like this number. What I would like to see is between 6 to 8% a month, but the drawdown that it's under 5%. This is like my goal. This is what I'm testing. I will also show you my different testing accounts so you can see what I'm working on. As you can see, this week we did like 1.71%, $70. Amazing week. So for me, the goal is like to do 6% and 6 to 8%. And you see right now we are in the middle of the month. We are up 2.61%. So if we can do this in the next 2 weeks, then we will be up for like 6% in a month. And that's like a really, really good goal for myself that I have with Kraitos. Right now, I don't have any open trades. I have some open trades, but not a lot of drawdown, like only 1.12%. So the months were like actually like really good. You can see a little bit of a decline, maybe because of the markets. I don't know, but also I'm doing like some changes in the settings. Also like to see what is working and what is not working. So this is my account here. I would like to also open up trading view where I will show you actually the decision units and pips so you guys get a better understanding of it. Let's just let it opens up. Let's open up a chart. The Euro USD, that was a good example in the Euro USD. If we go like here back, you can see we have here browser and you can see Euro USD. It was like a really big spike this week, like of 200 pips into one side without like a big retracement. And you can see here was like sell 1, sell 2, sell 3, and then we got out in profit. But this was like a really big move. Let's open up the chart. I was already showing this to my team in the morning, so it's everything is prepared. Let me just have to open up here. Euro USD forex.com. Okay, so you can see here's this example what happened this week, and you can see here we have the first trade was here, first sell trade, and then we have it here, the second sell trade. So the second sell trade was away how much? If we go here, the first trade was actually, what is not going on? Okay, the first sell went against us for 55 to 60 pips against us, and then we have the second trade. Let's see how much the market actually moved against us. Oh my goodness, what is this doing? Okay, so here we are. Let's see, the market moved against us for 156 pips, and we had like only 3 trades open. And why is that? Because what I did, I actually changed in my settings. I changed the decision units. I put decision units to 20, and like minimum required distance between trades to open, it's set to 40. So you can see here it's actually 60 pips away, and this one it's 70 pips away before it open up a trade. But because of the decision units are a little bit smaller, the trades were a little bit bigger. So how my setup is, I will show you my setup. Okay, let me go back. My setup. So how is my setup? My setup is, let me just open my VPS. Okay, here we are. It's connecting. Okay, so here we are. So here it's my VPS now. Okay, they're not open. Open all the instances. Don't forget to do the update of the VPS. We have a VPS update, so do the VPS updates too. That's really important. So your VPS runs smooth. Now we just have to wait a little bit that it opens. Okay, whatever, close. And then it opens everything up at the same time. We don't need this one. Okay. Oh, it's going on right here. So we have it here. Okay, close. Restart. Oh, no, then restart this one. Yeah, it happens this also. Close. Which one is it close now? Close. Close. So this is not the right one. So this one. Okay, this is the one. So you can see here, this is my live account. So how I have the decision units set up, I have a decision units, I put it to 20, and minimum required distance in between trades and pips, it's 40. So if you want to go more conservative, you can put here 25. Even more conservative, you can put like here 30, or even more conservative, you can go here to 40. I have it here at 20. I like it this way. Then I have position size 0.01 per thousand. And then for conservative users, you can have 2. And then you can have it here 4. And bulwark, it's always set to true, always set it to true. And then I'm like testing here at the position positive 5, 20. And the pivot levels, I have it off. First trade, I have 10, and here 15. But this is like a more aggressive setup. So don't do this setup. The best setup it's how that you have it here set to 2. Bulwark on true. Okay, here it's false, and then take profit at pivot levels. It's false. First trade profit is 10, and this is 4. So this is exactly how you should have to set it up as a conservative user. Okay, so let's jump in back into the MyFX books. You can see here also my bigger account. It's 85,000 on this account right now. Highest was 86. So yeah, it was a big spike. And yeah, I want to do here like only like 1% to 2%, 1.5% a week. So I want to, my goal is to make here $1,000 every single week with a low drawdown. So then we have here, this is also a not aggressive account, but like moderate account, conservative account. You can see a really nice growth to a really nice actually drawdown. Here we have Kraitos, the default settings, everything by default, how the developers have it when you put it onto the chart. So you guys going to be able to follow all these systems. We are preparing a Google document where you're going to be able to see everything. Here it's Matt's account, really performing really nice. And you can see monthly almost like 5%, but it's really amazing. Then here is my testing accounts that I'm testing different settings. I call it the swing settings because we are going for way more profit also with the initial trade for more profit when we are also in a drawdown. So yeah, this week it was a little bit bigger drawdown, like nothing major. So the biggest drawdown was like 6% this week. We ended up the week with 2.75%. Keep in mind, we're trading here 10 pairs at the same time. And this month we're up 7.7%. We have like, I see like also here which pairs are performing like really good. So the best performing, as you see, are the pairs that we are trading anyway: AUD USD, Euro USD, AUD CAD. AUD Swiss franc, it's really performing good. Also Euro NZD, it's a good performing pair. NZD Swiss franc, GBP Swiss franc, GBP CAD, we are trading USD Swiss franc. So we have like really like a lot of potential pairs, but we have to like have more testing, everything done to see if we would like include any of these pairs. Again, you will get all access to this MyFX book, so you can have like all the data, you can see all the information and decide it by yourself. Right now we are like in 7% drawdown. The most drawdown right now, it's coming from one pair, and this is GBP Swiss franc. As you can see, we have 1.12, 1.5, so this is 2.6, 2.6, 3.6, 3.6, so 4.5%. It's just from GBP Swiss franc from this. So you can see, you can also see here GBP Swiss franc where it is. Yeah, it's one of like the best performing pairs, but we will see after that. So this is like why I'm saying that like I'm not giving out like the settings just because it's like has a good monthly average, but I want to see like get more data so I can like give you as much data as possible. And then we have here Kraitos that it's trading on all the pairs just without without Swiss franc pairs and JPY pairs. It's working amazing. What can I say? 14 pairs trading at the same time. A little bit also adjusted settings. They're not settings like by default. As you can see, monthly we're up like 19%. Like on average, we're already up 20% since March 14. So it's not even a month yet. Oh, now it's a month. So yeah, in a month we need like really good performance. We had like 8.6% drawdown, the biggest, and this week was 5.3. So we finished up the week with 4.14%. Right now we are sitting at 9.93. We'll see what it can do. Right now we have like some trades open. We have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades open, all only initial trades, and we are sitting at 0.59 drawdown, so nothing major. And here I put it together 4 different accounts. I put together conservative account, moderate account, aggressive account, and I'm calling it all in account with crazy settings. And these are all standard pairs, 8 standard pairs, so we can compare with like conservative settings, moderate settings, aggressive settings, which ones are the best. So you guys can also like choose like different settings in the Google document. It will also say what we're trying to achieve, everything, so you guys have like an understanding from the settings. So yeah, definitely we are like playing around, testing different things out, and I'm like really hesitant like to give you like this all these settings because I'm waiting for the updates. The updates are still like being worked on, like the trailing stop losses and all the stuff that I was telling you about. But yeah, when that comes, I think we will see like at least like 3 to 4% extra every single month with like the same risk or even like smaller risk. So you can see here conservative account we just started like this week. It's up 1.33%. Then we have moderate account 0.40 and aggressive account it's up 0.57, so not a big difference for now. But yeah, I'm also waiting that they add to the manual approval version of Kraitos in the MyFX book EA, because today you're also getting the new version of manual approval, where not everything is like working like a Swiss watch, so it's like everything is right now done. So also the manual approval version, people that are using it are going to be super happy with Kratos. So let me see if there's any questions here in the Discord. It's no question. So yeah, this is it. Just enjoy how Kratos works. Go with the default settings, and when you get like the Google document, then you can like decide if you want to maybe change your settings around a little bit, or what do you want to do. But for now, just stick like to the default settings, and I will also put the settings that I'm using this week into the Discord channel. So, guys, thank you for watching. Who was here with me live, and also thank you for everybody that was watching the recording. So, safe trading, and talk to you soon. Bye.